What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in our new location in Bedford, Texas. Got a beautiful 2016 Harley Davidson Street Glide with me today. Great looking bike, great shape. It's got the 103-inch fuel injected twin cam, 6-speed transmission. All the chrome looks to be in really nice shape. Bike's got super low miles, a little over 3,000. It's got a Vance & Hines X-pipe setup. Also got the Vance & Hines slip-ons out back. Vivid black paint. You got the one-touch saddlebag latches. It's also got the 4-point docking hardware, so you can do a quick detach tour pack, luggage drag. Right now it's got the quick detach passenger backrest. Engine guard up front. It's got the Enforcer wheels. I believe that's a 19-inch front wheel. I like that style. It's got some upgraded Avon grips. Shorty tinted windscreen. Good tires on this bike. Plenty of tread, dual disc brakes. Only 2 spots I found on this 16 Street Glide. It's got a small chip right there on the back side of the front fender, and then it had a small little nick in the paint right here on the rear fender. That was it, real minor. I want to point them out to you though. It's got a heel toe shifter, and it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it goes through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We have one of our technicians test ride it and make sure everything's working correctly, replace what needs replacing, and then we give it a professional detail. Those guys do a real good job. So we'll go ahead and check out the mileage, then I'll fire it up. And you're looking at 3,200 low miles. If you'd like to know more about this 2016 Street Glide, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike, and also check out the rest of our inventory. You can also stop in our brand new showroom at 3201 Airport Freeway in Bedford, Texas. We do take almost anything in on trade. Sell and ship bikes all around the world. We offer financing, warranty options. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.